Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to download Instagram data in a simple and easy way so you can keep a copy of your information. This video quickly walks you through every step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to access your information safely. Step 2. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. Step 3. Tap the 3-line menu in the top right corner. This menu opens extra options that help you manage privacy, security, and account data. Step 5. Scroll down and tap Account Center. Step 6. Tap your information and permissions. This area lets you control, review, and download the data linked to your account. Step 7. Tap Export your information. This option allows you to request a copy of your Instagram activity. Step 8. Tap Create Export. Step 9. Choose a profile to export your information. This is important if you have multiple accounts. Step 10. Choose Export to Device. Step 11. Tap Notify. They will send you a notification when your export is ready. Step 12. Add an email and tap Save. Step 13. Scroll down and tap Start Export. This confirms your request and sends it to Instagram for processing. Step 14. Give your password and tap Continue to start downloading the information. This step verifies your identity and keeps your data secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tutorials like this.